Hi friends. So one questions I got. The questions is find the count of the character from the string. I think these questions already we have seen. But what is the difference between earlier questions and current these questions? So earlier it was only the string, but now they have added the that value, some digit 2 3 4 5, something like that, and then I need to find the count of the each character present in the string. Okay, so this question is also asked in one client interview. Okay, so that's why I am giving these questions, otherwise I will not repeat it, the questions. Okay, no problem. So okay, we'll see. First we'll run and check it is working or not. So we can see that P is 2 times, R 3 times, 2 2 times, 3 6 times. Okay, so 3 2 5 1 6 6 times. Okay, so now we'll start how to debug. Okay, we'll put the debugger here and we'll call the function. When it's calling the function, it's come down and it's take the string value, and that string value come to the definitions here, and this is empty dictionary we have taken. Now next, let's come to the for loop. In for loop, the s is present. In that s, p, that string is present. Okay, whatever string we are giving, that string is present. That testing from the alphabet and numeric. Okay, next, it's come inside. In checking I in D. I means the first position of the index. I in D, and it's checking it is false. That means I is not present in the dictionary. Okay, so what it will do, if you was assigning dictionary value as 1, uh, come next, and it will count the each and every characters one by one. Okay, so now P is equal to 1, R is equal to 2. Now see, R is equal to 3, and next, similarly it will go for the all the value. Okay, and you know how for loop is working. So that is the good. And we'll see the output once it is in. So okay, now 3 is coming. 3 have present totally again, date out. So it's counted. Okay, so like that we need to print the value. Okay, thank you for the watching. And one more thing. So people saying that why I will use the empty dictionary. Empty dictionary we are using to create the data into dictionary format. Okay, that's why we have used empty dictionary here. Okay, okay, yeah. Thank you for watching.